are in our braiding area, where we need to find the center of all of the cords. Let's pull all these out and center each set of cords. Okay, we have all our cords centered now. I like to start with the shortest one in the middle, so we'll put the shortest one there and work out to the longer two. Okay. From the center, you need to come out about 3.5 to 4 inches. And we're going to tie a half hitch here to hold everything in place. The center is here, and our half hitch is here. I'm going to go on the shorter side of the strands, put a slip knot in it, and hang it over the hook. Usually put a stop knot in case it wants to slip off later. And we have our strands here ready to be braided. We're braiding back towards the center. This is going to form our hanging loop. I'm going to assume that you know how to do a 4-strand round braid. Not really go into too much detail on how to do that. I would need an assistant to handle the camera for that, so we could have some close-up shots of how the movements are done. It's relatively simple once you learn it. You're going to want to braid this back until you have 6 inches of braid. Now notice I have all kinds of marks over here on the board to give me measurements. It's very helpful. I'll take a picture of my board and add it to this tutorial so you can see the markings that are on it. About 6 inches there, so then we have another half hitch here to keep the braid from coming unbraided. You have a 6-inch braid in the center of the material you're going to be braiding, with a half inch on each end of it to hold it in place.